Here's a unique salad that actually tastes better the day after you make it. It's pickled red cabbage and carrots made with cilantro and ginger. Now I know not everybody loves those flavors and that's okay, but if you do, boy oh boy, I think you're really gonna love this. Here's how we make it. We're gonna start with a vinegar brine. 2/3 cup of water. We're gonna add 1/3 cup cider vinegar. I'm gonna heat this up just so that we can dissolve the sugar and salt. While that's dissolving, we're gonna go ahead and prep our veggies. We've got red cabbage and carrots, peppercorns, ginger, and cilantro. So we're gonna take a clean 2-cup jar and we're gonna stuff it full. Just wanna really squeeze it in there. Our jar is stuffed full and now we pour it over and squeeze out any air bubbles. Add the rest of the brine. There we go, and now we're just gonna let that cool a little bit, then we're gonna put on the lid and put it in the fridge. Perfect for summer barbecues, and the fact that you can make it ahead and leave it in the fridge, beautiful. Delicious.